Hello everyone! Happy September 2nd. Today we celebrate flavor-packed fun, clever minds, and the joy of cooking together. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting events are coming soon. First up, it's National Blueberry Popsicle Day. A refreshing treat that captures the taste of late summer. A perfect gift could be a popsicle mold set, a fruity recipe book, or a box of artisanal frozen treats. Ever made your own popsicles? Tell us your favorite combo in the comments. Next, it's World Coconut Day. A global celebration of this versatile, tropical delight. A thoughtful gift could be a coconut-themed beauty set, a tropical cooking kit, or a jar of organic coconut oil. Are you team sweet or savory coconut? Let's stir up the flavor chat below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Tailgating Day. A kickoff to football season with food, fun, and fan spirit. A great gift could be a portable grill, a team-themed cooler, or a tailgate recipe set. What's your game day go-to snack? Let's swap tailgate traditions in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome.